In this video, we're going to see how to use the merge query option on Excel. So here I have data from the student office department, 115 student ID, and they require the balances of these 115 students. And in the accounts department, we have about 900 plus student ID with their balances. And so to get for this selected 115 student balances, it's going to take a long time if you're going to do it manually. So the best option is to use the merge query option. So the first thing we need in order to use this option is to see whether the format is similar. So here in the student office ID numbers, we have only numbers, and in the accounts department data, we have an alphabet in front of the number. So the function is equal quotation and the alphabet, and close the quotation and click the cell, and then drag the formula all the way down. And so now you see that the data is similar on the first table with the second table. Once this is done, we can create two tables, one for the student office data, and I can rename this table as student office data, and we should make sure that there's no space in between the words. And the second table, I can rename it as accounts department data. So now I have two tables I can work with, and I should first save the file before I proceed. Once I save the file, I can go to data and click on new query, and from file I click on from workbook option, and I look for the file that I just saved, and which is merged student accounts demo, and I click on it and open. It takes me to this page where I need to select both the tables that I just created. So I select accounts department data as well as student office data, and then click on edit. And then it opens up a new page. Over here I need to get the first row as my header, and then similarly on the second data table as well. Once I have done that, I can merge both queries from both the tables. On this page, I need to select the matching columns. So on both data sets, I have student ID numbers as matching data. So I need to click on both tables which have the matching data. And over here, it tells me that there are 89 out of 115 that have matched. Then I click on OK. And it gives me a new column where I can expand. I click on the icon on top, and then select the amounts column, and then click on OK on the data that I require. Once I click on OK, the data is given for the 115 students from the 900 students that the accounts department has. So here we can see the amounts for the 115 students that has been pulled out from a list of 900 students. So here you can see it as 116 because the first row is our header. So here you can see how you can pull data from one table to the other in less than 5 minutes, and the work is faster and easier. I hope this helps you in your work.